You human. You see number go up on glowing screen, and you smile. Bank app say $5,000. Next moon it say $5,200. You chest puff, you feel powerful. You think, me rich now. But Gurucha tell truth. That number, just shadow on cave wall. You not rich, little fire friend. You only feel rich because shiny number full brain. In old tribe, when Gurucha catch mammoth, tribe feast for many sons. Wealth was something you could touch, taste, share. It smelled like roasted meat, sounded like laughter, felt like full belly and peace before sleep. But you modern human, you chase invisible mammoth made of numbers and pixels. You can't eat it, can't hold it, yet you stare at it glowing in dark cave of apartment and call it success. But tell Gurucha this, if you richer now, why you still tired? Why you still wake at night, thinking about bills? Why every new thing, phone, car, vacation, fades so fast, leaving same emptiness again? Because your brain, that clever monkey inside skull, love one thing, more. When tribe trade one rock for 2 shells, brain clap. When you get raise, brain clap again. But after few moons, brain yawn and whisper, need bigger fire. That's what wise humans call hedonic adaptation. Fancy word for joy burn fast. Like firewood, it glow bright for moment, then turn to ash. And you? You keep feeding fire, never noticing your peace turning to smoke. You think you chase wealth. But truth, you chase the feeling of being rich. And feeling is like mirage in desert. The closer you run, the further it move. You scroll through shiny boxes, see tribe with big caves, fast wagons, gold meat on plate. You whisper, me also want this life. But what you see not wealth. It ritual. Long ago, tribe wore feathers to show power. Now you wear logo. Different costume, same hunger. So Gurucha asked, if number go up but peace go down, who really win? If cave full of stuff but heart hollow, what kind of rich is that? The illusion of wealth strongest when tribe forget what wealth truly mean. Not gold, not gadgets. Wealth mean time. Wealth mean freedom. Wealth mean calm fire that no storm can kill. Everything else, just noise money make to keep you chasing. Real wealth never shout. It whisper. And those who listen, they no longer need to look rich because they are free. The cost of feeling rich. Illusion no live only in head. It live in whole tribe. When everyone believe they rich, everyone spin like river and flood. You buy bigger cave, newer wagon, shinier meat. Not to survive, but to prove. You call it lifestyle. Gurucha call it debt disguised as pride. Bank man smile wide. Here magic card. Pay later. You nod. Think you clever hunter. But later always come, and it come hungry. Many tribe members swim in shiny debt. 7,000 on card, 50,000 on wagon. House bigger than heart can carry. They feel rich in moment, but poor in spirit. They not own wealth. Wealth own them. Long ago, tribe built homes with hands and slept under stars. Now you build castles on paper promise, guarded by interest and anxiety. You say you free, but chain on ankle hide under carpet. Then comes silent thief, inflation. It no roar, it whisper, stealing bite of your coin each moon. Groceries rise, rent rise, gas rise, yet you cheer bigger paycheck. You think you win, but value shrinking while illusion growing. Your mind see numbers go up, but not power go down. That the cruelest trick of modern fire. You work harder, chase longer, thinking next raise fix problem. But raise never fix what spending destroy. You cannot out-earn a leaking bucket. Every time you trade peace for possession, you grow poorer in silence. When whole tribe live on borrowed comfort, even strong hunters fall. And when illusions spread wide enough, money stops serving man, and man starts serving illusion. The brain's wealth illusion. In old days, brain count things you can hold, food, wood, water. Now it counts shadows, stocks, credit scores, screen numbers. It confuse symbol with survival. When number rise, brain think, we safe. Even while life cost more. That's money illusion, seeing wealth in digits, not in what digits buy. You earn 60,000 today and feel proud. But 10 winters ago, same life cost 40. You know richer, only living in bigger illusion. Like painting bigger mammoth and shouting, tribe stronger now. No, only drawing got larger. Then come hedonic adaptation again, dopamine flare, then fade. You upgrade, repeat, forget. You climb golden treadmill that move but never arrive. And when you scroll cave screen, you compare your life to tribe next door. You see smiles, cars, vacations, not debt, stress, emptiness. So you feel small, push harder, spend more. Illusion grow fat, truth grow thin. But once you see trick, spell break. You realize wealth not how loud you look, but how calm you live. Real wealth is when money serve you, not when you serve it. When you can say no, rest easy, and keep fire steady. That, fire friend, is freedom. The numbers lie: income, debt, and real wealth. Now you question what lies beneath digits. You love big income. Show it like trophy bone, 6 figures. But Gurucha asks, 6 figures of what? If coin come fast and leave faster, what left for peace? Income is river. It move, it sparkle. Wealth is lake, quiet, deep, still. River look exciting, but lake feed tribe in drought. Modern tribe forget stillness, confuse motion with meaning. True wealth not what flow in, but what stay after it flow out. Humans call it net assets. Everything you own minus everything you owe. That number tell truth louder than paycheck. You say you rich because cave worth $500,000 coin, but you owe bank 480,000. What left for you? Little more than worry. That not wealth, that decorated debt. Many humans now live in negative wealth. They shine for tribe photo, but oh future. They wear gold chain that belonged to bank. Smile wide while sinking quiet. Back in tribe time, no one borrows spear to hunt. Now humans borrow fire, food, peace. Debt build false mountain of pride that crumble in storm. Inflation nibbles silently. Bread cost more, rent bite harder. You earn bigger number by smaller life. Brain clap anyway, fooled by rise, blind to loss. So illusion no live in math, it live in mind. You chase harder, thinking more coin fix emptiness. But more coin only make rope longer. Because you know measure what truly yours. What worth your gold if peace belonged to debt collector? What worth your castle if sleep belonged to worry? Count calm, not coins. Because when all screens fade, only your fire stay burning. And that, little one, is the only wealth that never lose value. Escaping the illusion. So when you think of your net worth, count not only coins, count calm, count freedom, count nights you sleep without fear. That is wealth no storm can take. You've been running long time, chasing more, proving more. But real wealth not what you earn, it what stay when all the noise stop. That is your net worth, not only in digits, but also in calm, time, and freedom no one can take. Oh, you think back to all things you bought to feel alive. The rush, the glow, the false comfort. They no make you rich. They just make you tired. Each debt you erase, each useless thing you skip, each quiet night you protect, that increase your real net assets. Not what you show, but what remained truly yours after the world collect its share. You see now, many humans rich in image but poor in reality. Their caves full, their hearts empty. Their net worth high on paper, but low in peace. You, little one, start to turn that around. Because every coin you keep by silence, every debt you kill by time, and time, that the only currency that never lose value. You know fear money now. You know worship it. You use it careful, like fire that cook food, not burn forest. You measure wealth not only by rise of numbers, but also by rise of peace inside. When your net worth and your inner worth start walking same path, that's when you truly free. That's all for today, fire friend. Me make more soon. Subscribe for more wisdom from the tribe. Gurucha vanish now.